No sooner did we reach market, it started raining. Meanwhile, my sister started pressing her stomach. I asked, what happened? Hello everyone, welcome to Grow With Shilpa channel. My name is Shilpa and today in this video I am going to show you how you can do your English practice at home without having partner. The thing is, most of you have problem that ma'am, I don't have any problem. How can we fluent? Because I want to be fluent, but I don't have any partner. I don't have any stuff. I don't have any content. So without having content, without having partner, without having anything, how can be fluent? So the thing is, I am going to show you how you can create your own story, and using some words, using your mind and using your mobile phone, you can create your fake story, your cock and bull story, and you can be fluent. So the thing is, despite having no partner, you can be fluent. Yes. So I am going to show you. The thing is, you have to take a half sentence, and using that sentence you have to create your own story. Actually, these days I am running a series that using half sentence you can create your own story, your fake story, your cock and bull story by yourself. So I'm showing you how you can take half sentence, and using that sentence you can build your fake story. So without any further delay, let's get started. Yesterday I was in my room. This is my half sentence. Yesterday I was in my room. So I am going to create a story using this sentence. Okay, so please listen carefully. Yesterday I was in my room and doing something in my laptop. Suddenly my mom came to me and asked me to go to market and buy some stuff, vegetables or fruits. I said to her, okay. I went to my sister's room and asked her to come with me. She agreed. My sister and I went to the market. No sooner did we reach market, it started raining. We resorted to a dhaba for shelter, and because of getting drenched in the rain, we had 2 cups of coffee. No sooner did rain stop, we came back to again market and started purchasing what I was said to purchase. Meanwhile, my sister started pressing her stomach. I asked, what happened? Why are you pressing your stomach? She asked me, I don't know, but I am feeling pain in my stomach. I got scared. In no time, I took her to nearby doctor. Doctor checked her. He gave her medicine, and after taking medicine, we both came back to our house. After reaching home, I have narrated everything to my mom. She didn't say anything, and my mom asked to have dinner. We had dinner, and we both went to bed to sleep, and we both took rest. So this is the story. This is the half sentence story. Okay, you have to do one thing. If you are not able to create your own story, you can write on the paper what you have done. Then you can start narrating this story. Okay, if you can able to make fake story, it will take time, but you can do that. If I can do, then you can also do that, but you have to work on it continuously without 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 doing gap. Okay, so if you are able to speak, if you are able to make your own sentence, you can build your fake story. Just you have to remind what you have did from morning to, you can take real story, don't make fake story, you can take real story, what you have done from morning to till date, from morning to night. You have to create your own story. You can do one thing, you can turn on the camera and record yourself. After completing your video, you have to check. First, you have to record yourself and then you have to check as a teacher, because you know where you are making mistake. When you got to know here you are making mistake, you have to rectify your mistake. Using this method, you can build your fluency, you can build your vocabulary words, and you can remove your hesitation. Yes, I have also removed quite hesitation. I'm very serious at this time. I'm telling you, you can also, if I can do, you also can do that. You have to take any sentence. Suppose you went to market, suppose you were doing something, suppose you were doing something and suddenly came to your house. Start. After that, what happened? You have to create your own story. You have to create your cock and bull story. Okay, so I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was really helpful for you, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel for more such of kind these videos. You can press the bell icons. We will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.